Shame is a feeling that thrives specifically on not being spoken, and I'm conscious that even a video about it has to be handled with some delicacy. I want to be careful with this one in a different way than trauma, but careful all the same. Shame is different from guilt. Guilt says, I did something bad. Shame says, I am something bad. That second sentence is rarely said out loud, even to the person thinking it, which is exactly why it tends to calcify rather than resolve. Most mental health conversations focus on guilt because it's easier to talk about. Shame gets left in the silence it depends on. This is where literature does something specific. A book that names a shameful feeling precisely, without flinching and without moralizing, breaks the silence shame needs to survive, without requiring you to say anything out loud yourself. You just have to read the sentence and recognize it. Brené Brown's nonfiction, Daring Greatly in particular, is useful here because she names shame directly and researches it rather than moralizing about it. Reading someone describe the mechanism of shame with that much clarity can be the first time it stops feeling like a unique personal failing and starts looking like a recognizable, well-documented human experience. In fiction, I look for narrators willing to admit the specific, unflattering thought, not the noble version of a difficult feeling, the actual one. A character who admits something petty or selfish or contradictory and isn't punished by the narrative for admitting it, gives a quiet kind of permission that a more polished, redemptive character can't. What I want to say plainly, because I think it matters more here than almost anywhere else in this channel, is if shame is sitting on something serious, something that needs more than recognition, please consider a therapist who works specifically with shame. A book can break the silence. It's not always equipped to do the deeper work that silence has been protecting. You're allowed to have been seen by a sentence before you've ever said the thing out loud to a person. That still counts as being witnessed. I'll come back with yet another journaling video tomorrow. I hope you do too.